Hey everyone, I'm Karen with Walsh and welcome back to my school studio here. I am a high school teacher at Mason High School in Mason, Ohio. So what I wanted to show you today was a super quick video, an unboxing video actually, of a Skutt Firebox, a little test kiln that I got for here at school, because sometimes you just need to test fire. Maybe you've got a glaze combo or you want to do some testing with some mixed clays or something, and you don't want to run a whole load. You don't want to run a whole large kiln for that. So I got a little test kiln that will make my life so much easier. I used to have an old one and it kind of died over the years. It was just an old little guy and it kind of gave up the ghost. So I got a new one and I'm super excited because this is a computerized Skutt Firebox. So let's unbox this and I'll show you this. So as it came from Skutt, and I already ripped this off because after I ripped it, I'm like, oh, I should do a video for you guys. One thing that I will say about this, it gives you the information here. So it is 115 volt, which is really nice. So you just have to make sure that you have enough amperage on your circuit, and this is just a regular household circuit. So not circus. So it's not a 220, which makes it really, really nice. I know some people have little test kilns and that's all that they use if they only make small things, but this is, again, just great for my needs. So Skutt usually does a fantastic job of packing whatever it is they're packing. Like when I unpacked my wheel at home, it was just beautifully packed. And here, this firebox has just loads of this foam around it, and it's protecting the actual, rotate this here so you can see, it's protecting the actual computer box itself. Now, to get this out, I think the easiest way is I'm not going to lift it out, I'm going to cut the box down. So I'm going to grab my box knife. The one thing that cracks me up with this is you can see here where it says, you know, up, fragile, handle with care. When I received my my Skutt wheel, it had the exact same markings all over the outside of the box. And I have one of those Ring cameras where it shows when someone's coming up the driveway. And here comes the delivery guy just with the wheel on his little dolly. And it's completely like you know, this when he brings it up, and then when he takes it off, he just slams it down. Luckily, this kiln I don't think was treated like that. It's really it looks really good. But I have to say that even though the delivery guy did a terrible job delivering it and treating it in a fragile way, Skutt packed it in such a way where it was in really good shape. So here, what we have, it looks like we've got the catalog. Looks like we have some kiln wash. It looks like we have some kiln firing paper, some teeny little posts, and looks like a spare thermocouple. So that's nice. Now I am going to read over my manual, even though I have operated countless Skutts and some other types of kilns. I am going to read that manual because there's no replacing the knowledge that you can get from a manual. I always tell people, read your manual. All right, so I have it unboxed and it is just the cutest little guy. So it has an integrated built-in stand. So this could go, say, on a tabletop, but where I'm gonna put it in my kiln room, I'm probably actually just gonna set it on the floor. And it's got a little teeny firebox. Again, this is small, just for my test needs. It'll be great. It's got a simple little control panel, so it's not going to be as elaborate. It's not like I'm going to be doing a drop, hold, soak and stuff like that. And here are the stats on it, right? So there we go, 115 volts, as we said, 15 amp draw, which is a very low draw, and max temperature It's going to be cone 6, so it says $22.50. So this is going to be perfect for test glazing, or test firing some of my glazes and clay combos and stuff. Now, just some food for thought. If you're ever looking at buying a used kiln and you're wondering, what do you look for? Well, the first thing you always want to look for is look at the plate, because the plate is going to tell you what the max temperature is. It's going to tell you how many amps it's going to draw, and it's going to tell you what sort of electrical supply you need, like how many volts. So you want to make sure that you always have enough of an electrical supply for whatever the kiln is going to draw. And this is a single phase, like you can see right there, it says single phase, one phase. Industrial applications like schools often have a triple phase, a 3-phase. So if you are going to buy, say, an old kiln from a school, you need to know, if you have a single phase, can you convert it? Because it can be costly to convert everything about it to being usable. So when you look on the inside, if you're looking, you want to make sure, are the elements in good shape, right? Are they tucked in the little grooves? Do you have glaze that's stripped all over? Obviously, this is a brand new kiln, so there's not going to be glaze all over. Now, this is kind of interesting. I've never seen this before. See the pyrometer, how it's actually bent down? I've never seen one like that before. Usually, the pyrometers are standing straight out. I can only assume that that is something that they do on purpose on this little firebox. So I'll have to check that out, and that's kind of interesting. But this is a great little guy if you are looking for kilns, though, and you're looking for used. You want to make sure that it looks like it's been well taken care of, and look for comparable prices on comparable kilns and everything. So I will do a firing of this another time. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to show you how it looks, and I'm super excited to try this out. I'll be firing it up later this week, and I'll let you know how it goes.